Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
Phish at the Las Vegas Sphere. Everybody's fave jam band stopped by the Las Vegas Sphere for a 4-day residency run, and we chat with the audio crew about the experience. The 2024 Infocom Expo returns to Las Vegas, and we present an exclusive peek at some of the coolest new live sound products at the show. We visit some church installs with an eye towards improved musicality and vocal intelligibility, where the word is all important.
our buyer's guide this month focuses on
Large format consoles. For the really big assignments, you need a high input capacity solution. We present the best of these top-of-the-line miracle machines. Brian Reisman chats with noted FOH engineer Karen Ford about her past successes and her current gig, working with sound designer John Weston on this hit musical revival. Front of House is first to take this rock-solid, flexible digital console for a test drive, offering 192 max channels and great-sounding, detailed audio performance in a compact footprint. Check it out.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.